Hello, welcome to Buka restaurant. Today I find myself in Accra and I'm doing a restaurant tour. Today the first stop is Buka restaurant located in Osu. Let's talk to management, find out what exactly happened here, what they have, and enjoy ourselves. So come on.
Makes me feel very much at home.
Hello, welcome to Buka restaurant.
So I'm here with Buka manager. Who are you? No, let me not rush and introduce him. Let him introduce himself. Who are you?
Myself, Tishu Shetty. I'm the manager here, and you're welcome to Buka restaurant.
Welcome to Buka restaurant,
which is one of the precious and the beautiful restaurant. We serve authentic African cuisine.
Okay.
It is blended with Ivorian cuisine and Ghanaian, Nigerian, and Senegalese. Blended.
So, what is Buka known for?
The Buka word, it is called as roadside hut, where you can get good foods.
Okay.
And the word is derived from the Hausa family.
Can you give us a tour and show us what happens here at Buka?
Yes. Our restaurant, we have 130 people sitting capacity.
Okay.
And we'll start operating from 12 noon to until 9 o'clock.
Which part of Accra is this?
We are in Greater Accra, Osu.
Osu?
Yes.
Okay, so if I'm coming to Buka,
yes,
how can I get the direction to here? Because Osu is too big.
Osu, we are just located beside the Oxford Street.
Oxford Street.
We are just 2 doors next to Old American Embassy. We have a website. It's called www.bukarestaurant.com.
Okay.
And we are in Facebook, we are in Instagram, we are in Twitter as well.
What kind of local food from Ghana do you have? Is it that you have everything?
Yes.
Because I love local food a lot.
Yes. Especially, we have authentic like fettuccine with banku.
Okay.
We have the special kenke platters. You should try our special kenke platters. You should try our butcher platter. Butcher platters, it is filled with your meats, and it comes with your dessert, nice dessert as well along with that.
Okay.
And you should try our boma dechi. It's authentic.
No. Say that again.
Boma dechi.
Boma dechi. What is that?
It's a leaf. It's a boma leaf.
Okay.
Cooked with the Kobe fish.
Oh, guys, I'm new
Kobe
to that.
Kobe fish. It's basically it's a salted fish.
Okay.
Yes.
But the food is a boma dechi.
Boma dechi.
Okay. If any one of you have heard of this food before, please leave a comment in the comment section below because it's new to me. Who owns this restaurant and how long has this restaurant been in existence?
See, we are running since 17 years.
Okay, 70?
Yes, 17 years.
Wow, and I just got to know about this place in 2021. How come?
We are everywhere. People. We are just. We are into marketing now. People are getting know more of the people getting know now. She's Audrey Solomon. She's a Ghanaian lady.
This is owned by a Ghanaian?
Yes. We started with a 20 seating.
Okay.
And now we are in 130 seating, and we are planning for more of the branches as well.
Okay.
Yes.
So apart from this branch here, so do you have branch anywhere else in Accra or any part of Ghana?
For the moment, we don't have any branch, but in the future we are planning already. We'll come up with new branches as well.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
And do you guys work all days of the week? Do you have special days of the week that you
work from Monday to Saturday.
I like my Sunday food, my Sunday I like to after church.
Sundays it's a church day for everyone.
So how does one get in? Do I have to make a reservation? Do I have to book?
You have to do the reservation. You go to the www.bukarestaurant.com.
Okay.
You'll find our telephone numbers or mail addresses. You can mail us or you can call us and do the reservation.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, but can one walk in and just, okay, I see this restaurant, Buka, or someone told me, and then whilst passing, just walk in without booking online? Is it available as well?
It is not. I cannot say always it will be available.
Okay.
So better if you do the booking, it will be safer side for you.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, we give more preference for the reservations.
I would say I come here every time I visit Ghana. I always bring people. The food is really good.
The environment and the service here is great.
It gives you like an upscale vibe with the local feel.
How long have you been in Ghana?
In Africa, I'm here in Africa 6 years.
6 years in Africa. Can you speak Tree?
I'm trying.
Please, what do you not say?
Etise.
Okay, you're frozen.
Etise.
Yeah. So that's the only Ghanaian language.
Mopache.
Mbaucho.
Yeah.
Say it again.
Mopacho.
Mbaucho. Okay. So he's begging for his life right now. He doesn't want to speak the local language. How has it been working with a local restaurant that deals in African cuisine?
See, my passion, my passion into food and beverage.
Okay.
I'm here for since 12 years. I'm working in this industry.
Okay.
Yes. I started my career as a trainee boy. And now I'm a manager.
Okay.
So I worked in many countries. Like I was there in Turkey.
Okay.
I was there in Nigeria. Now I'm in Ghana.
You are in Ghana.
Yeah.
What has been your Ghanaian experience?
Oh, it's fantastic. Lovely. Even when I entered, I was so confused. Now I don't feel to go back.
You don't want to go back? So, wait. Does that mean that we should get you a Ghanaian citizenship so that you move here and then
Definitely. I'm looking for it.
We are looking forward to that. Okay, so he has been in Ghana for 6 years?
Yes.
No, or how long have you been in Ghana?
In Ghana, it's 3 years.
3 years. So 3 years in Ghana, and you already want to relocate to Ghana. If you are still out there and you are thinking or still deciding whether you should come to Ghana or not, just tell them, why should people move to Ghana? People who are watching right now, why should they move to Ghana?
Very friendly people. Okay. With the fantastic food.
All right.
And very good the weather, fantastic weather as well. You can find very nice and clean beaches here.
Okay. What has been your Ghanaian favorite food that you always want to eat?
I love goat light soup fufu.
Do you know how to pound fufu?
Yes, I pounded. I tried once.
So should we go and pound fufu right now?
Not now, later.
Hey. But I want to see you pounding the fufu.
Yeah.
But his muscles are not even there to be able to pound the fufu.
Don't judge a book by its cover.
Hey.
Restaurant divided into 4 parts of sitting.
Okay.
This is our most loud place, which is called Coco's Terrace.
Okay.
Which has 30 sitting arrangements. Some people like the private for 25-30 people. Still, we can give to them.
Right.
And let me take you to our second one.
Okay. I am enjoying the experience already.
Private dining area, the most beautiful place I can say. It is.
Can I have my birthday? Yeah? My birthday is in the next few months.
Definitely.
September. So
Definitely.
is it possible for me to? What do I need to do to be able to have a
You need to
birthday?
call us a day prior.
Okay.
And you need to reserve the place.
I need to make reservation.
Yes. You need to book 1 day prior.
Okay.
1 day prior you need to book. And this place, it is our private. It is a most loud place, which is our private dining area.
Okay.
Called Kiki's Terrace. There is our another place called Ardua Terrace.
Okay.
It is basically for indoor. Whoever likes AC. For the moment, because of the COVID issue, we turned into open area. But in the future, we'll bring in the ACs, and people like more ACs, comfortable with the ACs. We can make it inside.
What I love about this place actually is the fact that you guys have greens here and trees makes this place cool. Before we leave, is there anything you want to say about Buka in general?
It's the best place.
Okay.
You always visit.
Okay.
You should always visit.
All right.
And I know that you'll make your time to visit our place. Thank you.
All right. So we are going to try food from here.
2016, I came here for a birthday treat and I loved it, especially the palm wine. Beautifully chilled. It wasn't big enough though. I think they need bigger calabash.
It's a good time. Everybody enjoys it. All my guests that come here love it, so I recommend coming here for sure.
I will definitely encourage all of you to come to Buka and have a good time.
So it has been amazing at Buka restaurant. I have come to enjoy the ambience of this place. The ambience is good. You can see for yourself. This place feels like home with all these amazing sound, you know. I'm here with my cinematographer today who is going to be sharing his experience as well.
It's so nice.
It's so nice here.
I'm waiting to try their food. So.
You see the secret behind my nice, sweet cinematography work. So hungry, so hungry. Food is in. I ordered fufu and goat meat with light soup. One thing I didn't like was it delayed a little bit for the food to be in, but I believe it was because there were too many customers and then I didn't order on time too, so part of it is my fault, but let's try the food and see. The food is good. I love fufu. It's one of my favorite Ghanaian food. I think I have to go for round 2, Charlie. Anyway, so it has been amazing covering this episode with Buka, and I've enjoyed my stay. At the end of the day, I'm encouraging you to try their food. I like the fact that they are into local food and they are promoting local cuisine and putting Africa and Ghana to the world in general. And I love the experience, and I'm urging you to also come try the experience and tell me what you think about it. How was your Buka experience?
The food kept long, but I really enjoyed the food. I enjoyed my plantain and the bulabulu.
Yeah. I actually had
and the salty fish.
Salty fish.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it.
I had fufu. I liked the fufu a lot. I think it was good. I wanted more, but like it was a little bit pricey. Was it pricey? No, actually I didn't come with enough money, so I think that is the
I said that at the first time I saw the food, but after I was satisfied, so I'm okay. I'm okay. It's okay.
So, what's your last message to anyone watching right now?
Come and enjoy Ghanaian, Nigerian, the whole of African food.
African food in general. Yeah. Come and enjoy yourself at Buka restaurant, and you will love it. Thank you for watching to the end. We love you, and you see us in our next video.
All right.
Bye.